Right, Dave here, and welcome down to the allotment on this Monday morning. A little bit cloudy, been frosty this morning again. So I'm going to have a cup of tea, and then I'll show you what we've done on Saturday. Okay, this is what we've done at the weekend. You've seen these beds, but we'll put these on. These are down to warm up the soil, ready for carrots going in on next week, I hope. There's going to be with peas, for garden peas, and possible beetroot at the bottom. This is going to be with brassica bed, and when this gets finished, this will probably put kale and lettuce and that in here. Up the top here, as you can see, we've got rhubarb growing well, and there's an apple bush over there, but we're not doing much on this end at the moment. We'll come back down this way. This is going to be what potato bed. I've already got some in along here. I've got some second earlies in. We built this on Saturday as well, and it's got broad beans in down here, and I made a little cold frame, and Rob's going to come along and put these strawberries in, which have been grown and they need hardening off. So Rob's going to bring his strawberries and put them in. So we've got some strawberry plants to go in there. They'll go in there for about 7 days with the lid on, and then gradually take the lid off to harden the plants off. And he's got a proper big pot he's going to put them in. So that's me to for now. I'll show you other stuff later on. Okay, bye for now.
I'm putting a few hooks up in the shed just to make it look a bit more tidier. I've already done some the other week, so I've just put a few more today. And this one here is for the saw. And there we go. So got my dad here, just holding this bed, getting it all prepared. And what's going to go in this one?
This is going to be with brassica bed.
This is the brassica bed, so we're just getting sorted out.
This is the likes of kale. Today my head's gone freaking blank on plants. Sprouts, cauliflower, summer cabbage. Just want to get something in this year. You know, it's my first year, so we're not expecting a massive crop, but we'd like to get a start.
Yep.
Rob's busy starting to prepare this bed so that we can put some more potatoes in. He's finding bits of metal and all that as he's digging through, so we must have picked that up on the general turnover. Hopefully the weekend it's going to start warming up and we can start getting the other set of potatoes and all that in. And we'll move on. Donnie's turning his bed over. Sorry for the light's not that good because the sun's hitting. Well, it's going to move in. Actually, it's going to move into a shade in a minute. So But Danny's giving his bed a second turn over
Trying to get all this bindweed out.
because it's just full of bindweed. We're just digging bindweed up like you don't know what. But I think we'll be doing that for the next few, yeah. Would like to try, we could go no dig, but I think it's not a cheap route to go. Maybe once we've got our own compost, because we're busy composting a lot of stuff, composting down. We might look when we put these new beds in next in the autumn, go no dig there. So that's that. Okay, just another update for today. We've done the 2 beds over there. We've finished this off up here. And if you come on a little tour with me, I'll just swing around, and all that rubbish there's waiting to go away still. And we've tidied up around here. This is sort of a storage area, and it's our gate to get out. So that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up, and please subscribe, and we'll catch you again on another video. So bye for now.